There has been a meme coin mania going wild across the crypto space, and recently there has been a boom in activity on Cronos due to this meme coin craze. But there is clearly one leader to the pack here that I want to give you guys an update on. It has been a while since I've talked about, specifically in a video, Crow with Knife CAW token on Cronos, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll also be giving you guys an update on CRO and Cronos as an ecosystem today. A couple stories I want to get through and a couple events that happened today. Let's get into it, guys. Smash that like, subscribe, and let's talk about what's happening. So today, Bitcoin did make its way back above $68,000, so we did get a pump across the crypto market, which was beautiful. But since my stream earlier this morning, it has come down a little bit. At the time of this recording, we're at $67,500. I did expect this. I talked about it earlier on my live stream today where I was looking at the price of Bitcoin, seeing it hit the previous all-time high back from the last bull market at 69K. I said, okay, we might reject here, come back down a little bit, and then still possibly make our way back up because I do remain bullish for now, though be on the lookout, potential crash around the Bitcoin halving, which is coming up in just 18 days or so. Cronos is currently one of the top exchange tokens in the entire crypto market. The only other exchange token related to a crypto exchange that is ahead of that right now is really just Binance's BNB token. At one point, we did have the OKX token ahead of Cronos, but as you can see, it has now overtaken OKX token, which had a crazy rally at one point. So this is one of the top exchange tokens, but they changed the name of Cronos, Crypto.com's CRO coin. Again, Crypto.com is rebranded to Cronos. Why? Because it's all about the Cronos chain, an EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain, which has been propped up by Crypto.com and the Cronos team. Now, it has been getting a surge of volume lately, even though the price action is down. We had a little spike up to 16 cents just the other day, came right back down. Even though this is not booming right now, I do expect a major breakout in the next bull market for this token, and we've been talking a lot about it on this channel. Now, one of the most recent developments for Crow with Knife specifically is they did get listed on CoinMarketCap today. The founder and lead dev on this project was moving forward to try to get this listed, and he did it pretty speedy, actually, and got listed on CoinMarketCap. So now, if this price action pumps up in a big way, and if the volumes on this thing come up, you never know, all of a sudden it could be trending, and that could bring volume. But just to have the opportunity to potentially get highlighted on CoinMarketCap is a good move. They've even got the proper market cap updated here. So there you go. Now you can track it in CoinMarketCap if you're using CoinMarketCap to track your portfolio, which is very, very interesting and, you know, great for the Crow with Knife family, if you want to say that. Another thing I want to note is the other day I did this breaking news, and CAW, Crow with Knife, actually got listed on Base and on Solana. Unfortunately, the way it got listed on Solana, it didn't quite work. There was an issue that the main dev came out and addressed. He actually ended up changing it, pulling it back, and they are going to relaunch on Solana today, probably. So be ready for that. That's coming. And there was some price action this morning moving upward on the listing on CoinMarketCap and on the hype leading up to the Solana launch again. And last time it launched on Solana, it did get quite a bit of volume. So there's possibilities that that could happen. There is also a possibility that this is exhausted right now. It's at a $10 million market cap, and so I'm willing to talk about it because the market cap is so big on this that it's kind of stood the test of time so far, but it is only about 20 days old or so. So please be careful, guys. These are extremely volatile. I'm not recommending anybody buy this, but instead I'm just keeping you guys updated with one of the exciting memes happening in the Cronos space. There was another meme came out recently, CROB, we talked about. The Crow Mob token, which came up, got to, and I'll just take a peek at it really quick, which you got to note, it's got $20 million worth of liquidity. It's currently got $26 million invested, but upon the launch, it did crash down. Nobody really knows where this volume came from, but there is certainly a narrative going on with CAW that it is totally propped up by just the community, the Crow fam, if you will, alone. And so people are hoping for this to continue up. And I'm rooting for all the holders on CAW. I am a CAW holder myself. And so I'm looking at that. Let's get real about it and let's look at what the facts are. So there are now 8,262 addresses, which is very significant in terms of the amount of holders on this token, which is fantastic. But I will note that the amount of new addresses has slowed down, which kind of brings me back to this news about going to Solana and allowing people on Solana to buy CAW could bring more holders to this token. and we could get some more addresses. So that would be very spectacular to see. So we'll have to see how this thing plays out. I just want to give an update on some of that breaking news there. And I do want to note, I put out a poll, so go ahead over to my Twitter if you want to vote on it yourselves to spread the word to the crypto.com community, to the Cronos community, to the Crow fam, if you will. You can see me at Crypto Kip Tweets. I put out this poll, and I want to know from the community themselves, what is the most popular meme on Cronos chain? Not the biggest, the most popular. Corgi AI is at a $700 million market cap. Ryoshi got up quite high as well and had a lot of volume on the day it launched. This is a token sent out by Ebisube, one of the NFT platforms on Cronos. And then the Crow Mob was a token propped up by VVS Finance, the one we just looked at, with $30 million in market cap at one point, currently at 27 like we just saw. But Crow with Knife is getting the votes. The community is most vocal on Twitter, on X, about this token. I've seen so many posts about it, and I got to acknowledge that the Croak team, and I got a little airdrop of Croak. They're probably the second most vocal. I see the Crease people, obviously. Look, I'm very excited about a meme coin season on Cronos. I think it's good to bring volume, to bring excitement to Cronos Chain, which is what we need. Cronos Chain has 255K followers. We're going to want to see this grow. We're going to want to see the activity in the ecosystem grow, and I think that these meme tokens and the excitement surrounding them is honestly a good way to do it, but it comes with a lot of risk, guys. People lose a lot of money, and they sometimes make a lot of money on meme tokens. So please, 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 please manage your risk accordingly, guys. Take profit on the way up. Do your own research. None of this is financial advice. I'm just celebrating the fact that things are happening on Cronos. People are getting excited, and some people are making money. This is the second vote that I've done on this. I had some other of the meme tokens in my last poll, but I wanted to update this with some of the newer and hotter tokens, and even putting up this community token, Crow with Knife versus Corgi AI, Ryoshi with Knife, and the Crow Mob. Ryoshi with Knife and Crow Mob were launched by two of the big dexes on Cronos, and still Crow with Knife is outvoting them, which says something. It says something. I don't know quite what it says, but it says something. And I want to note that VVS is also doing some votes in their Discord on their favorite meme of the week, and guess what? The results haven't come out officially on Twitter. I think it's going to be CAW, though. And I say that because that's what the results of my polls are showing. And who knows? Maybe it's different. We'll have to see how it is. If it comes out CAW's most popular and they launch on Solana today and people start seeing it on CoinMarketCap, you never know. All of a sudden, this thing could turn up and we could see Crow with Knife start making some moves back up to the upside. For right now, it is hanging on. We'll have to keep an eye on it for you guys. As for the Cronos coin price, guys, it's going to track along with Bitcoin, just like CAW, as we were pumping up earlier today. Bitcoin was moving up, so was CAW. So everything was moving up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin came down a little bit just recently, and it's trying to move its way back up right now. And so if you're looking for the next move on Cronos, well, it depends on Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin's turning around, so is Crow. That's just the name of the game, guys. When you zoom out and you look at the previous all-time high for Crow, we were up at $1 almost. I expect us to get there. In fact, I expect us to get from $2 to $5 in this next bull market. I expect Crow also to start outperforming Bitcoin as soon as it actually gets a significant breakout to the upside and we get a true altcoin rally in the altcoin ecosystem. And you can see the overall market cap, we still haven't broken out to new highs like Bitcoin has recently. So we want to see not just Bitcoin break to new highs, but the overall market cap. And then, of course, Crow to break to new highs, hopefully above $1 and hopefully to that $2 to $5 range. One thing's for sure, if you want the Crow token to be successful, then you're probably going to want the ecosystem, the Cronos ecosystem, to be exciting. And there has certainly been a wave of excitement coming from these meme tokens like CAW, like Crow with Knife, and some of the others, which I like to see. Be safe out there, guys. That's my Crow update for you guys today, my CAW update. I'm personally bullish on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.